Trying to format your USB in Windows says this. Don't throw it away. I'll show you how to fix it in 3 minutes, no extra software needed. Let's get started. Press Windows and R together. Type CMD and press Enter. Type diskpart in the command window and press Enter. Select Yes to move to the diskpart command window. Type list disk to show all storage devices connected to your PC. To know which disk to select, click the Start button and search for Computer Management. Select Disk Management. View the disk number of your USB drive. Go back to the command window. Type Select Disk 1 or the number in the Disk Management window for your USB drive. Type Attributes Disk Clear Read Only. Type Clean. Type Create Partition Primary. Type Format FS equals NTFS Quick. Type Exit. Type Exit. Now we are done formatting, let's try it on File Explorer window. Right-click on the USB drive name. Click Format. Select Start. Once complete, you can close the window. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more repair guides, hit the like button and share with friends. Drop your comment for a shout out on my next video. Bye.